we're back. I've just applied grease to all the housings. I've put the bottom bearings in place in each side, and I'm going to, and I've pre-greased the actual the hollow axle, and I'm about to drop that in, and basically then I can move forward. And I get this working around the camera is a pain, but not a problem. We shall try and get this to sit where it's meant to sit. Okay. Okie dokie. So now we can load the bearings onto the top. Which is boring too as well, but I just don't want to drop any down inside. The grease normally holds these things in place. Whoa, don't you dare fall down there, you rotten side of everything. I always use long nose pliers because we don't want to be touching the bearings with your hands. So that's the first few there. I'll do a few on this side. Yeah, touching bearings with your bare hands is not a good practice. The oils from your skin, your acids and oils from your skin can start a rusting process with the bearings. So we shall not do that. So I'm going to turn him around, and then you can see it from the other side. The grease I'm using is Newlon MX8. Not Newlon, I'll get it right in a minute. Inox MX8, I'll get it right in a minute. On these bearings and the rubber seal, that's what I'm using there. There's how that side done. And the grease I use down on the gears and the actual motor, being it's a lighter grease, is the MX6 from Inox as well. So that's what I'm using there. So MX6 on the inside and MX8 on the bearings and the gasket. So there we go. That's the bearings in place. What I've got to do now is I'll go away again, and I will. I'm going to put a small amount of silicone around as a seal on here and the other side, and then I'll prepare that. And I shall come back, and then I shall drop the top housing into place. So I'll catch you again soon.